everyone, I'm Teacher Mingwei from Kangaroo Study. Today, the topic that we're going to talk about is page number problem. Now, page number problem is a very common topic in many Math Olympiad competitions, just like SASMO, SMKC, SCMO, and even GEP. So, learning this topic is like hitting many birds with one stone. So, let's dive right in. First, let's read the question. How many digit trees are there for the page number of a book of 450 pages? Take a book, 450 pages, we want to find how many digit trees do we have. Basically, we just need to find how many digit trees from number 1 to 450. So now one simple method that everyone will think of is, we just need to list out from 1 to 450, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 450, then count how many trees do we have. Now, if we do this, how long will it take? It will probably take very long. If we start in the morning, then we'll probably end at night. So let's try to find a faster way. Let's try to observe a pattern by listing down just a little bit. So let's try. So let's list down. List. Okay, that's all. So now let's see in one row. How many trees do we have? 1. Second row. 1. Third row. 1. Fourth row. Oh, so many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, 11. So many trees. Now, what about the fifth row? Oh, only 1. Now, I think we can find something here. So, on the first row, we know we have 1, second row 1, third row 1. Fourth row, I know we have a lot. Then, fifth row 1. You see? All of them are in this column. So, let's observe something. What is the special characteristics between all these three here? Now, someone who's very sharp, I know you already got it. Now, for those who haven't got it, get it. I'll give you some hints. What is the position of all these trees? Yes, it's all in the ones place. All in the ones. Of course, here we have the 10th, but all of them are in the ones. And if we expand the column down, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, all of them are in the ones place. So, we know that we have ones. We have a lot of trees in the ones place. Next. And let's look at here. How many trees do we have here? So 1, 2, just now we found out that there's 11 trees. Now, we know that here, there's 3 in the ones place. What place is this? Are these trees? Yes, all of them are in the 10th place. Exactly. So, we know that we can find a number trees in the ones place and the 10th place. So, let's try to look closer. How many trees? The pattern. We want to find a pattern. So, in first row, we know that 1 tree. Second row, 1 tree. Third row, 1 tree. Fourth row, how many trees in the ones place? Only 1. Every row, only 1 trees in the ones place. Oh, we saw the pattern. So, every row, how many numbers? Oh, okay, so let's make this row same numbers then. So, let's add a 0 here. Perfect. So, adding a 0 here doesn't make a difference, okay? So, 1 to 450, how many numbers do we have? 450. Very nice. And add a 0, how many numbers do we have? 451. Perfect. So, adding a 0 just makes our calculation easier, okay? And we would just want to know how many trees. 0 is on the tree, so it doesn't affect. So, every 10 numbers, how many trees do we have? Every 10. How many? We have 1 trees in the ones place. Perfect. We found our pattern. So, for the ones place, there's 1 tree every 10 numbers. Next, what about the 10th place? How many trees do I have in the 10th place? From 0 to 99. Let's see here. Here, for this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10. Is there any other trees in the 10th place? We don't have any more. So what about from 100 to 199? Actually, it is the same. There's only 10. It's only from 130 to 139. This means that for every 100 numbers, how many trees do I have? I have 10 trees. So we found out every 100 numbers, I have 10 trees. Next, we have ones, we have tens, we have also hundreds. Now, can you tell me, which hundreds do we have 3 inside? Yes, only 300. Only numbers starting from 300 to 399. Now, how many trees do I have here? First, how many numbers do I have from 300 to 399? Perfect, it's 100. From 1 to 99, I know I have 99 numbers. So 0 to 99, I have 100 numbers. This means that from 300 to 399, I have 100 numbers. And for all these numbers, how many trees I have in the 100th place? I have 1. 300, 301, 302. Every number I have 1 tree in the 100th place. So, how many trees do I have? Yes, I have 100. 300 to 399. 100 numbers. And every number I have 1 tree. So, I have 100 trees. Perfect. So I have found the number of trees just for our 100th place. So, you see, we found the number of trees in the 100th place, but we haven't found the total for ones and tens. So let's look at them separately. First, for the ones place, we know that for every row here, there is 1 tree. So let's group this as one group. Now we want to find how many groups are there from 0 to 450. We know that there's 450 numbers, 451 numbers. So what should we do to find the number of groups? Yes, we should take 451 divided by 10. Perfect. And we will get 45 groups with remainder of 1 number. So one group, we know that there is 1 trees for every group. So how many trees do we have in total? Perfect. It's just 45. Very nice. So we know that it is a total of 45 trees. Next, let's look at the tens place. We know that for every 100 numbers, there's only these 10 trees for every 100 numbers. So let's group these 100 numbers as one group then. So 451, how many groups do we have? Perfect, just 451 divided by 100. So, and we will get 4 groups plus 51 extra numbers. Now what is these 51 extra numbers? Let's look at the groups first. First group will be 0 to 99. Second group will be 100 to 199. Third group, 200 to 299. Fourth group will be 300 to 399. So these 51 numbers will be 400 to 450. So within this 400 to 450, do we have any trees in the tens place? Yes, we do. 430 to 439. So how many tens do we have here? How many trees do we have here? Yes, we have 10 trees. Perfect. So includes 430 to 439. So there will be 10 trees extra. Now in every group, how many trees? 10 trees. Perfect. So, 4 groups, how many trees? 4 times 10. And we need to plus 10. So, number of trees will be 4 groups times 10 plus 10 is 50. So, for the tens place, we have a total of 50 trees. Next. Now, we already know for the hundreds place, from 100, 200 to 299, 300 to 399, 400 to 450. The only trees we have, it will be, in the hundreds place, will be just 300 to 399. How many trees do we have here? Tell me once again. Yes, 100. So, next, let's put all of them together. 1 space, total 45. 10 space, total 50. 100 space, total 100. So, total, I want a total from 1 to 450. How many trees do we have? Just add them together. So, 45 plus 50 plus 100, we get 195. Wonderful. We have solved our problem. Easy. So, let's do a very quick summary here. Now, first, we said that you don't want to list it all and then find and then count how many trees do I have. So, what did we do? Yes, we looked for pattern. We find the pattern. And next, what did we do? We looked for 1's place, 10's place, and 100's place. So, we look at the digits separately. Look at the digits placed separately. Perfect. So, here, please feel free to try this question. How many digits 2s are from 1 to 250? And feel free to type your answers down in the comment section below or just contact me and I will tell you if you're right or wrong. And if you encounter any difficulties, not just this question, any math problems, please feel free to contact me and join our 2026 P3 study group. I will give a lot of materials, worksheets, books, anything about GP, Math Olympiad stuff. Okay? So, see you again. I will be seeing you on the next video. Teacher Mingwei from Kangaroo Study. Signing off. Goodbye.